Welcome dear 10th standard students. In this video class I am going to teach quadratic graphs. Sums from the exercise 3.16 sum number first division 1, 2 and 3. To find the nature of roots of quadratic equation graphically. Real and unequal roots. If the graph of the quadratic equation intersects the x-axis at two distinct points, then the given equation has two real and unequal roots. Two real and equal roots. If the graph of the quadratic equation touches the x-axis at only one point, then the given equation has only one root, which is the same as saying two real and equal roots. No real roots. If the graph of the given equation does not intersect the x-axis at any point, then the given equation has no real root. Exercise 3.16. Sum. Graph the following quadratic equation and state their nature of solution. The solution: x square minus 9x plus 20 is equal to 0. Table for y is equal to x square minus 9x plus 20. Draw the table. X, the point to be given, x square minus 9x plus 20. Then x square minus 9x plus 20, that is the value of y. X is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. First, to find x square, squaring the x values. Minus 1 square 1, 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49. Next, minus 9 into x. Minus 1 into minus 9 plus 9. 0 into minus 9, 0. 1 into minus 9, minus 9. 2 into minus 9, minus 18. 3 into minus 9, minus 27. 4 into minus 9, minus 36. 5 into minus 9, minus 45. 6 into minus 9, minus 54. 7 into minus 9, minus 63. In this column, write 20. In this column, here x square minus 9x plus 20. Add the three columns. 1 plus 9 plus 20. 1 plus 9 plus 20, we get 30. Here 0 plus 0 plus 20, 20. 1 minus 9 plus 20. 1 minus 9 plus 20. 1 plus 20, 21. 21 minus 9, 12. 4 minus 18 plus 20. 4 minus 18 plus 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 minus 18, 6. 16 plus 20, 36. 36 minus 36, 0. 25 plus 20, 45. 45 minus 45, 0. 36 plus 20, 56. 56 minus 54, 2. 49 plus 20, 69. 69 minus 63, 6. The points to be plotted on xy plane, that is graph. Minus 1, 30, 0, 20, 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 2, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 2, 7, 6. Joining these points, we get a smooth curve. Scale. In x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. In y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. The point to be plotted. The first point is minus 1, 30. Minus 1, 30. The second point is 0, 20. The third point is 1, 12. The fourth point 2, 6. Fifth one 3, 2. Sixth one, 4, 0. Seventh one, 5, 0. 8.6, 2. The last point, 9 point is 7, 6. You need to join the points without using scale. Join the point. The curve intersecting with the x-axis at 4, 0 and 5, 0. So, the point of intersection of the curve with the x-axis at 4, 0 and 5, 0. Therefore, the solution set is 4, 5. We have two roots. So, the roots are real and unequal, different values. One is 4, another one is 5. So, unequal. The roots are real and unequal. Exercise 3.16, first division, second sum. Draw the graph of quadratic equation x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0 and state the nature of solution. Table for y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. X, the given value. X square minus 4x plus 4 is the equation. Add the three columns, x square minus 4x plus 4. Sum of this, we get y. The x value is minus 3, 2 plus 5. First column is x square, minus 3 square, 9. Minus 3 square, 9, minus 2 square, 4, minus 1 square, 1, 0 square, 0, 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16, and 5 square, 25. The third column, minus 4 into x, minus 4 into minus 3, plus 12. Minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12. Minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8. Minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4. 0 into minus 4, 0. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. 2 into minus 4, minus 8. 3 into minus 4, minus 12. 4 into minus 4, minus 16. 5 into minus 4, minus 20. In this column, you write 4. Add the three columns here. 9 plus 12 plus 4. 9 plus 12 plus 4. 9 plus 12, 21. 21 plus 4, 25. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 0 plus 0 plus 4, 4. 1 minus 4 plus 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 3 plus 4 minus plus 1. 4 minus 8 plus 8, 0. 9 minus 12 plus 4, 1. Minus 16 plus 16 plus 4, 4. 25 minus 25, 5 plus 4, 9. The points to be plotted in XOY plane, that is graph. Minus 3, 25, minus 2, 16, minus 1, 9, 0, 4, 1, 1, 2, 0, 3, 1, 4, 4, and 5, 9. Scale. In x-axis, 1 centimeter is 1 unit. In y-axis, 1 centimeter is 2 units. The point to be plotted. The first point is minus 3, 25. Minus 3, 25. Here 25. The second point is minus 2, 16. Minus 2, 16. The third point, minus 1, 9. The fourth point, 0, 4. The fifth point is 1, 1. The sixth one 2, 0. Seventh point 3, 1. The eighth point 4, 4. The last ninth point is 5, 9. Joining the point without using scale. We get a smooth curve. The curve cuts the x-axis at the point 2, 0. This is the point of intersection. The point of intersection of the curve with the x-axis at 2, 0. Here, the curve cuts at only one point. So the solution set is 2. The roots are real and equal. Exercise 3.16, first division, third sum. Draw the graph of the quadratic equation x square plus x plus 7 is equal to 0 and state the nature of solution. Table for y is equal to x square plus x plus 7. x square plus x 7, x square plus x plus 7, y. The first column is x, the second column x square, third x. The first column, the given value x. Minus 4, minus 2, 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this first column, the given values x. Minus 4, 2 plus 4. In the second column, x square. Square of the first column. Minus 4 square, 16. Minus 4 square, 16. Minus 3 square, 9. Minus 2 square, 4. Minus 1 square 1, 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. In the third column you write the given value x. In the fourth column you write 7. The fifth column is x square plus x plus 7. Add the three column. 16 minus 4 plus 7. 16 minus 4 plus 7. 16 minus 4 plus 7. 16 minus 4, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 1 minus 1, 0. Plus 7, 7. 0 plus 0 plus 7, 7. 1 plus 1 plus 7, 9. 4 plus 2 plus 7, 13. 9 plus 3 plus 7, 19. 16 plus 4 plus 7, 27. The points to be plotted in XOY plane, that is graph. Minus 4, 19, minus 3, 13, minus 2, 9, 1, minus 1, 7, 0, 7, 1, 9, 2, 13, and 3, 19. Scale. In x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. In y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. The point going to plot. The first point is minus 4, 19. Minus 4, 19. Minus 4 here. 19 is here. Minus 4, 19. The second point, minus 3, 13. The third one, minus 2, 9. The fourth point is minus 1, 7. The fifth point, 0, 7. The sixth one, 1 comma 9. The seventh point, 2 comma 13. The eighth point, 3 comma 19. Joining the point without using scale, we get a smooth curve. The curve does not touches the x-axis. Join the points, we get a smooth curve. The curve does not touch the x-axis at any point. So the nature of roots of quadratic equation is no real roots.